for the rain, the crunch of pain. The ice is coming, the sun's zooming in. Meltdown expected, the wheat is going big. Engines stop running, but I have no fear, 'cause London is drowning out.